Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to edit videos in CapCut for beginners. So when I'm new to CapCut, I use this method. So I hope that this method will also be useful to you who are new to CapCut. So if you are new to CapCut, I suggest you to use templates so that when you're editing, you can just follow the templates and you don't need to do any other things, and you can just use the templates. And I'm gonna show you how you can do that. So click on the template at the bottom, and here you can choose any templates that you want to use. It's free, so you can just choose any templates and use it as you want. For example, I want to I'm gonna find the for example this one's right here. I'm going to click on use template at the bottom, and then you can just choose the material on your own. For example, I want to use this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and then click on next. And then after that, the effects will be loading, and then your video will automatically create it based on your template that you choose. You can just play it to see the preview. Okay, so you can just play it, and here is the result. Okay, I'm going to just replay it. Or you can also choose other template. For example, you just need to find a template that you think fits your need the most. For example, I'm going to use this one right here. Go to videos, and then I'm going to choose what okay, I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to use this one. Okay, I'm going to click on next, and here is the other result of the other templates. Okay guys, so that's the easiest way to use a CapCut for beginners. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.